Idol, good morning. Good morning, Quebec. Guys, nandito kami sa Cemetery, Quebec. Nag-stop kami dito last night. Kasi after Cemetery, and the next stop namin is Tibugamo. Nasa 400 kilometers. So hindi kami aabot ng maliwanag. Bawal kasi kami tumakbo sa gabi kasi mataas yung height. Yan guys,